What's up, everybody? It is me, Dr. Sean K of Heli Direct, and I got some incredible news. This company, XL Power, has not jumped into this heli size yet. And finally, Ra and Cindy and all those guys over there said, hey, we're coming with a Stratos 200. Everyone was excited, including me. Without further ado, I welcome the Stratos 200 here to the Heli Direct den. So this is not your run-of-the-mill 200. It doesn't come fully assembled. You do have to do some assembly required, but let's see what's in the box. Cool. So here's the landing gear. Comes with the landing gear. Oh, look at that blade over there. All right, here's your links. Tail rotor. Can't wait to test these out. These are the 195 Pros. I actually really like the 715s. I think the 715 Pros. Love them. Such a good blades. Here's the main fuselage. Canopy, high gloss. Love it. It looks sturdy, man. Feels sturdy. Nice. Look at that. So that's what comes in the box. I have not looked on XL Power to see if there's actual instructions yet, but pretty much this should be, plug and play, pretty much. I've got my fly bar and receiver standing by, so you want to see what's under the hood. I heard you. I heard you. Nice. Servos are installed. It feels beefy. Oh, and it's cool. It's labeled. And that is cool. Look at that. Just plugs right in. Bloop. Good to go. All right, so let me get started on this, but I just wanted to share with you guys what comes in the box. I got it put together. I did some maiden flights. I didn't have anybody here to record it, so I think it's time for me to invest in some meta glasses like my man Kyle Stacy. I just need to get with the program. You guys missed it, but I can tell you about what I felt about this helicopter. This helicopter is really set up for two people, meaning two different skill levels. If you are a beginner and you're wanting to learn orientation, this on 3S is good for that. It will fly and it will do 3D. It will do mild 3D. Go with the 3S pack, the 3S 750. However, if you want something else with a little bit more bang to it, do some hardcore 3D, the 4S pack will do the trick just fine. It flies exactly like a mini Ultimate, Spectre V2 Ultimate. It's just steady, it's rock solid in a hover. It just flies so different from any 200 size helicopter that's out there right now. Shouts out to Ra, Kenny Ko, Cindy Wong. I'm not sure who else is behind the scenes who helped design this helicopter, but this bad boy rocks. Once you fly once, you want to fly it again and again and again and again. And it with these blades on it, the 195s, it gives it a very steady, stable feeling at all head speeds. Can't say it enough. It just feels like a mini Spectre Ultimate. One cool thing that I really did like about this as well is when I was trying to put the battery on, I'm like, how do you strap it down? Where's the battery? But there's a little bar here that you can see right here. That little bar underneath, it has a slider in the side of the frame. So if your battery's a little bit longer, a little bit taller, you just pull it down, tighten that bolt, and rest it up against the battery, and it's not going anywhere. It's a very slim, sleek, elegant, classy battery holder. It just does its job, and it doesn't move around at all. Hobbywing ESC run D-Shot. Yes, it's not flashy. Yes, it's not a whole bunch of graphics and thunderbolts and checkerboards and flames and stuff like that. But with the white boom and the white tail fin, it just looks clean. It feels clean. It flies clean. They did a great job at XL Power, and I look forward to whatever upgrades or whatever things they want to add to this helicopter. I actually don't feel like it needs anything else, but Ra's always inventing awesome new ways to make their helicopters fly and perform better. 2 thumbs up, yeah, they killed it. Talk to you next time. Dr. Sean K out.